Hello, assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear students. Today we have a new cubic equation. This question is very important for you. Today we have a new question, that is 2x cube minus x square is equal to 1. How we calculate the value of x is unknown. There are so many methods of this type of question is appeared in the paper, so we are using different methods here. So I am using here two different methods. One is synthetic division. So look here, first of all we arrange this question. 2x cube minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now according to the synthetic division, so we get the name here px polynomial. We give the name polynomial. Let's suppose that let px is equal to 2x cube minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we want to check this result. So one of the factor is required. So for the one of the factor we substitute the value of put x is equal to 0, plus minus 1 and plus minus 2 and 2 up to so on. So first of all we put x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, what will happen here? So 2 cube 0 cube and 0 square minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get here 0 0 and minus 1 is not is equal to 0. So the first condition is failed here. Now we are put x is equal to 1. Again if we put 1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we get 2 and minus 1 and minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So the condition is satisfied. That means that we get one of the factor x minus 1. So we can write here x minus 1 is a factor which is exactly divisible by this one. So x minus 1 is a factor, that is we can write x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Here I am using one of these. In synthetic division we have already long division method we can also use, and also we can use by synthetic division. That is very simple method. Look here. And this question we write in the synthetic division, we write the coefficient of the highest variable. Here highest variable is 2 and here x cube and minus 1, but here x is absent, so we can write 0 and constant minus 1. Now in the synthetic division process, so x already we have 1 is already done, that is factor. We divide by this factor. The first value we write always same. And this process we are multiplied by the term 2 multiplied by 1, we get here 2 and we add this term, so we get here plus 1. Plus 1 is multiplying, again we multiply here, so we get 1 and 1. If we add 0, so we get same 1. Again we multiply by 1. So in this process we continue the process, we get here 1. If we add this term we get 0. 0 is here remainder. Now how we can arrange the remaining term into the quadratic form? So look here, the first value will be c and the second value will be x and the third value will be x square. So we write this value is the coefficient of x square and 1 is the coefficient of x and c will be constant. Now we arrange this here, 2x square plus 1x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have in the quadratic form, we compare with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation, but here we get the value of, if we compare, so their constant value is a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 and c is also equal to 1. Here we are using the quadratic formula. We have x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. Now we substitute the values of this equation of a, b, c in this equation. So what will happen here? Look here, if we put the first value, b value is minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4ac. A is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1 divided by 4 divided by 2. A is 2. If x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 square 1, and where we get here 8 divided by 4. Further we simplify minus 1 plus minus, we get here minus 7 divided by 4. Now look here in the radical, radicand is here minus, we change this, we have already know that iota square is equal to minus 1. Iota square is equal to minus 1. In the place of minus we put here iota square. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 7 iota square root divided by 4. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus 7 under the root into iota square is cancelled with the square root divided by 4. Solution we get, this is the another solution we get here. X is x is equal to 1 and another solution is minus 1 plus 7 under root iota divided by 4. It's simple, but you will be thinking is required here how we calculate this. Look here, 1 we can write 1. Second method I am using here, second method. So what we can write 2 minus 1, because here 2 is required, we can write 2 minus 1, we get here 1. So in the place of 1 we can write 2 minus 1. Now we change both terms here, we get 2x cube minus x square minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Here is positive, we transfer to the left side, so the sign is also changed. And here is negative, we change into the left side, sign is positive. Now we arrange the term, rearrange the terms. We can write rearrange the terms. Look here. This is 2 and this is 2. We can arrange this one. 2x cube minus 2 minus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. We take common here 2. 2 is common here. 2 is common. We get here x cube minus 1 and here is minus common, x square minus 1 is equal to 0. According to our using the cube formula, as we know that first of all we write a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. First, in the first term we are using this formula. The second term we have already a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. According to these two formula, into 2 and 2, we are using this formula a minus b. It means that x minus 1 a square plus a into b and 1 square b square minus, and here a minus b into a plus b is equal to 0. Now in the given expression fv, you think, look here, x minus 1 and x minus 1 is common. We are taking common x minus 1 is common here. 2 into x square plus x plus 1 is remaining, and here minus x plus 1 is remaining, is equal to 0. It means that here this term is also equal to 0 and the whole term is also equal to 0. Minus 1 is equal to 0, or if we simplify this term, we can write 2x square plus 2x plus 2 minus, open this term, minus x minus 1 is equal to also 0. So we change this result here, x is equal to 1. We get one of the factor. So other 2x square, x square is not available, we write the same factor, x square, x is available. If we subtract their coefficient 2 minus 1, we get here x, and 2 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now according to the formula in the previous quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here we are using the quadratic formula. If we compare with this, is already done in the previous step. I have done this the previous method, the first method. So here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. Here we are using the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. Substitute the values in this formula. We can write x is equal to minus b minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 into a is equal to 2 into 1 square root divided by 2a into 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus, we get here 1 square 1 minus 8 divided by 4 divided by 4. Further we simplify, minus 1 plus minus, here we get minus 7 square root divided by 4. If we write minus 1 plus minus, square minus is equal to 7 iota square, as we know that iota square is equal to minus 1. In the place of minus, we put here iota square. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus 7 under the root into iota divided by 4 is the another result. So I have already done in the previous step. So there are so many methods in this question you can apply. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.